Have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and wondered, where did it all go? You work, you earn, but somehow it feels like you're running in place. And the worst part? Most of us don't even know what we're doing wrong, because no one ever taught us how to actually grow money. We're just told to save and hope for the best. But here's the truth. Saving alone isn't enough anymore. Prices rise, rent goes up, groceries cost more. If you're only saving, you're falling behind. There's a better way, and no, it's not about crypto, day trading, or some scammy get-rich idea. It's a simple system. Something that works even if you're not earning much right now. And once you get how it works, everything changes. Let me walk you through it. The first shift is this. Stop focusing only on what you earn and start focusing on what you keep. Most people get paid, spend what they need, and save whatever's left, if anything. But that's backwards. The people who actually build wealth do it the other way around. They pay themselves first. That means before anything else, before rent, food, or subscriptions, a small part of their income is moved aside. Automatically. Every single time. And that part? It's not just sitting in a savings account. That brings us to the second step. You've probably heard of investing. But it sounds risky, right? Here's what most people don't realize. The real risk is not investing at all. Let's say you stash your money in a regular bank account. Safe? Sure. But after a year, inflation has quietly chipped away at its value. That same money now buys less. Now compare that to a basic index fund. Not some wild gamble, just a basket of top-performing companies that grows over time with the market. Historically, these funds return around 7 to 10% per year on average. It's not exciting, but it works. Slowly, consistently, and here's where the system really kicks in. The third part is automation. If you have to remember to move money every month, you'll skip it. But if your paycheck is split automatically, a little to bills, a little to savings, and a little to investments, you're building wealth in the background. You can use tools like Wise or Revolut, which work globally and let you manage money across accounts with low fees. You can also use platforms like Vanguard, Interactive Brokers, or even your own bank if they offer investment options. The specific tool doesn't matter as much as the system you build. And no, you don't need a fortune to start. Even $25 or $50 a month can make a real difference over time. What matters most is consistency. Now, here's what most people miss, and it's the last part. All of this only works if you know what you're aiming for. If your goal is just make more money, it won't stick. You need something solid. Pay off your credit card. Build a 3-month safety net. Save for a trip without guilt. Whatever matters to you. Because once money has a purpose, it's easier to respect it, to protect it, and to grow it. Look, nobody hands you a playbook for this stuff. But if you've ever felt stuck or tired of living month to month, now you know, there's a way out. Start small, but it builds fast. Save with intention. Invest with consistency. Automate the boring stuff. And give your money a job to do. That's the system. And you can start today. Now, hit that like button if you want more valuable videos and learn to manage money.